Hello, we are at ISE 2025. I'm Jean-Baptiste Lorent for intoPIX. I'm here with our new IPMX AV-over-IP SDK and embedded development kits. We are helping any manufacturers today to transform a regular device with HDMI or SDI or whether it's a camera or a display or a media server to embrace the new IPMX standard. So the SDK will enable you to take a workstation, a small PC or a big server to send or receive a single or multiple JPEG XS 2110 or IPMX stream. But we can also provide you the embedded development kit, whether you want to build, for example, the capability of IPMX on a NVIDIA Jetson SoC to build, for example, an edge AI device, taking IPMX in, out, and doing some AI. This is also possible with the titanium EDK. Or if you want to test that over some FPGA SoC, we have also capabilities to support you in your path through IPMX. Thank you for listening, and if you want to learn more, you can go over our website or contact our team. Bye-bye.